Good afternoon, Your Holiness. Namaste. In the Christian tradition, it's talked about, forgiveness is talked about a lot.
Yes.
And how do you, like I saw the movie 10 Questions for the Dalai Lama, and one of the interviews was with one of the monks that had been tormented in China. And that they come to you in India, and when you talk with them, they are able to let go of those resentments and grant forgiveness. So could you tell us a little bit about how that works for you personally and how you help others with that? And then my second question is, if you were an American, who would you vote for president?
First question.
들으셨어요? Forgiveness.
가.
Forgiveness 거르샤.
그래?
Forgiveness. 서버달란
Yes, yes.
디 가서냐 마타노 고도 군들이 간데 주슈버 지금 로냐 때빈스 나올이야 베네 도부냐뇨냐 그 잡았는데 그러나서 군들 제제 아니 개밀이야 또 당sem때 마시소 시전 서버때 투스 라부도스 디자티 군들원에 아니 디톨이야 만드스 냠내 나요나 스티데 세셔로 지선 티원이버티 아리
Dishes. So first part, not just my advice. You see, 2,000 years old, the Buddhist tradition. Yeah. So, I think I can tell you, one old monk, I know him before 1959. Then after 59, he remained Chinese gulag about 18 years, 17 or 18 years in Chinese gulag. So in early 80, he come to India. He got the permission come to India. Since we know each other before, very close, one old monk, a wonderful monk. So then he told me during, I think 17 or 18 years in Chinese gulag, he faced some dangers. And I thought maybe danger on his life. And I asked him, what kind of danger? Then he answered, danger of losing compassion towards Chinese perpetrator. So they consider, you see, forgiveness is very key, sort of important practice. So losing compassion towards Chinese perpetrator, right?
perpetrators
He considered dangerous. So as a result, now his age, now 90, almost 99-year-old, is his mind clear and physical.
except for a bent kind of back because of his years of labor in the gulag.
Like that. Then many other, they mentioned to me during their experience in Chinese prison or gulag. They say, best period for practice of altruism. Like that. So this is not something because of my idea. Simply, you see, 1,000-year-old Buddhist teaching, like that. Then second question, I wish I should be American citizen. Then I have the right to vote. So I am not American citizen, so I am neutral.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now next question.